single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
Hello loves, welcome to the ThesparkleZboutique. Today I want to come to you to show you what I have done with my bedroom so far. And here is a clip from the empty apartment tour video that I have here on my channel. And I wanted you guys to see what I've done so far. I really want to make more changes, but not exactly sure what I want to do just yet. So if y'all have any suggestions, and leave those in the comment section. And if you haven't already, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel, thumbs this video up. Your support is greatly appreciated right now because I really need some motivation, guys. So I want to thank the new people that are here and the people that have been here with me going so far with my journey. And without further ado,
Shine bright like a diamond.
okay, when you first come in the bedroom, the first thing you see when you come in is this empty wall that I'm not quite sure what I want to do with yet. And I have this wallpaper that I got from OfferUp. It was an extremely good deal. I got 3 rolls of wallpaper for only $10. And it has this beautiful damask print. I had damask print before behind my bed, but it was a silver on a gray, and this is a black on gray. Okay, then we have these 2 lamps, one on each side, that I got from OfferUp for $20 for the set. And of course we have this bookend from Marshall's, and it was about 15 bucks. And then if you recall, I got this comforter, the duvet cover from Shein.com. And get this rug also from Facebook Marketplace for 40 bucks. It's a 10 by 10. And then we have all of these pillows came from Marshall's or TJ Maxx or Ross. But these 2 pillows here are actually pillow covers that I got from Hobby Lobby. They're like a rose gold. And this right here came from Joann's. It's just a piece of sequin fabric that I have draped over the bed and give it a little pop, a little extra something. I really want to change the colors in my room, but I'm not quite sure which colors I want to change it to. I love the silver, I love the rhinestone, but I'm a little over the pink. And then on top are these same crystal curtains that I got from shopwildthings.com. I will insert some pictures of the different ways I've had it.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna
cut these in half, and I have it kind of like a draped over there, draped over itself, but they can also come down and be all the way across. And then we have this furniture that is from JCPenney's or Pier 1, but I got mine used and I added the bling wrap. I did that myself. I will add the video down below. And that's another thing I'm thinking about redoing. I am on a budget, so I cannot afford to go out and buy all new furniture. So to give myself a different look, I will just redo what I already have. Then we have these wall decor that I made. I recorded this video so long ago, and I promised I would give y'all that video. That I still have one to do, which is to duplicate this one. These brooches came from Totally Dazzled, and it was plywood that I put glass on top of. And if you want to see, really want to see it, I will try to get it together for you guys, because the viewership on my channel has really been lacking. So it makes you a little discouraged, but I'm trying. And this is the window seat area that I redid. I won't get into too many details about that because I absolutely recorded that, and that's the next video that will be coming out. And I'm not going to reveal what it looks like until that video. And then on this other side, oh, I meant to mention all these walls were white. I painted this wall gray, that one across the same gray, and of course the wallpaper, I didn't paint that one, but I wanted this wall to be, there's something about this black wall that gives me a warm feeling in this room. And these shelves, let me this light. These shelves right here are IKEA shelves, and someone was selling them on OfferUp for $20 for both of them. I could not believe it, because they're like 60 bucks a piece. They sold both of them for $20. So what I did was, is took my bracelet holders. One is supposed to be silver, one's supposed to be gold, with all my jewelry, bracelets and watches and on there. And all this is skincare and makeup that I put on the shelves. And my little bling wrap TV that I want to change that to. And here I'm trying to put my nail stuff on this one, because if you don't know, I'm starting to do my own nails myself. And there's nothing really going on here. For me and my standards, this room, this bedroom is really plain. Y'all may not think it is, but it is for me. But I like it, but I do want a different look. So if you guys have any suggestions on what I can do to give the room the same glam feel, but I really was trying to get away from all the glitter and more so like a crystal luxe look. I still love bling. I'll be a bling girl to the day I die. But I still, oh, I forgot to mention these mirrors. Have one on each side. That also came from OfferUp. It's $15 for both of them. These are sliding mirror closet doors that they came like that, and just put them behind here. I think it gives it a nice look to have those mirrors behind there like that. And I also wanted to mention that I wasn't sure what I'm going to do with different areas of this room. And like, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this wall. I'm just going to leave it here. I was thinking about putting a mirror up and making my own vanity mirror, and I have a place to do my makeup there. And I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep these bookshelves here, because I had them over here at one point, but put them over here. I had some shelves from IKEA that were white that I spray painted black, and I plan to put them back up. I wanted to add a picture of what it looked like before I painted the walls black. And like I said, now these IKEA shelves are black, and I was debating on if I was gonna put them back up or not. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. In black, so they would blend into the wall, but I don't know. I really have so many ideas. I'm so open for suggestions, because I feel like my room has pretty much been the same for years, a little different changes here and there. But I just wanted to come and show you guys how you can take what you have at home in your home and either change it from one room to another, or revamp what you already have. You don't have to break the budget to get the glam look that you want. I love you guys, and as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.
Every single day